This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Derik Baumgartner. 2002 3-bed 2-bath 2-car garage on Acre wooded lot with large oak trees. This home features split bedroom floor plan, vaulted ceilings, and wood floors. Kitchen has white cabinets with white appliances. Spacious master bedroom with wood floors and large walk-in closet. Second and third bedroom each have walk-in closet. Screened porch, open patio, and fenced yard. Roof and AC 2002, newer water heater, water softener and dishwasher 2020. Close to shopping with easy access to I-95 and Turnpike off Becker Road. For more information, review the details below or contact Derik Baumgartner at 772-283-2800.